A man in Southall who was lighting fireworks and setting them off in his hand was swiftly arrested by police. The man was lighting fireworks by hand with a huge crowd around him, posing a huge safety risk and chance of someone getting injured. Lighting fireworks in your hand is extremely dangerous and should never be attempted. Fireworks are designed to explode with force, and holding them when they ignite can result in severe injuries, including burns, loss of fingers, nerve damage, and even permanent disfigurement. Fireworks fuse quickly, often giving less time than anticipated before they go off, which increases the risk of injury. According to the NHS, most firework-related injuries affect the hands and face, with some injuries requiring emergency surgery or leading to lifelong scars. For safety, always place fireworks on a stable, flat surface and light them at arm's length using a long-handled lighter or sparkler, ensuring you stand well back immediately after ignition.